Students, we are going to discuss few problems from the textbook, page number 58. Okay, now what were we discussing? We were discussing about regular polygon. What is regular polygon? A polygon which has equal sides and equal angles are known as regular polygon. Keep in mind that regular polygon means there are different types of polygons, but regular polygon means the polygon which has equal angles and equal sides. They are known as regular polygon. Now let's see the problems from the textbook, page number 58. First question is, draw a hexagon of equal sides and unequal angles. Okay, what question is, draw a hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides does it have? Hexagon, how many sides? How many sides? The hexagon has 6 sides. Okay. Draw a hexagon of equal sides and unequal angles. So, hexagon with equal sides and unequal angle. So, hexagon means you can understand it is 6 sides. Okay. So, I am drawing one line. Okay. Maybe of 5 centimeter. Equal sides means all the, what is it? All the 6 sides has to be the same. Okay, equal sides. Angle can be different. So I draw here 5 centimeter. Here also I draw 5 centimeter with using the scale. Okay, all right. Yeah. When you draw, you have to draw straight and properly. Okay, using the scale. Then what you have to do? You have to use compass and pencil. Okay, now here also you have to take the 5 centimeter because both sides I have taken 5 centimeters. The question, a hexagon with equal sides. Alright, so in the compass I have to take again 5 centimeter. Fixing the compass here, I draw an arc here. From here also keeping the compass, draw another arc. Then join. Alright, okay, then now without changing the measurement from the compass, fix the compass here and draw another arc. Keeping the compass here and next keeping the compass here with the pencil, draw another arc here. Then join together. So you will get a hexagon with equal sides. So all it has to be 5 centimeter. How many sides does it have? 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you also can give name as A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now you can look here. Is the angle same? Are the angles same here? No, maybe here, this angle will be same, maybe, okay, but this angle is completely different. These two angles are smaller, so we can say the angles are not equal, but the sides are same. I hope you have understood well. A hexagon with equal sides and unequal angles. Alright, now we have the second question. Second question, draw a hexagon of equal angles and unequal sides. Equal angles and unequal sides. So here also we know that hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. So first of all we should know sum of the angles of a hexagon. How much? Sum of the angles of a hexagon? That is n minus 2 into 180. That is equal to n. How much is n? What is n? Number of sides. How many sides does it have? 6 sides. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 into 180. 180 is how much? 720. Okay, that is the sum of the angles of a hexagon. So total is 720. Okay, now it is at the equal angles. Angle has to be equal. So what will be each of the angle? What will be the each of the angle? So how will you find out? Angle will be, one angle is equal to the total angle divided by number of sides. 720 divided by number of sides, how much? 6. So one side is equal to 120. Okay, is it clear to you? Because it is at equal angles. So we found out one angle, that is 120. How did we find out? Sum of the angles we found out first 720. Number of sides we know, that is 6. So total angle divided by number of sides, that is 120, that is one angle. Okay. Now we have to, what is the question? We have to draw a hexagon with the equal angles. Same way as I have said here. Okay. Using the scale we can draw a line here. When you draw the line, always use the scale. Okay. Okay. Then what do you have to do? You have to use your protractor. Take 120 degree. Take 120 degree. Keep the protractor at the point here. Studying in the chapter, first chapter, you know how to use protractor, compass and so on. You are studying in smaller classes onwards. So, take 120 from here. Okay, it will be more or less this size. Then, draw a line. Okay. Then again, keep the protractor here. Then it will be here, somewhere like this. Alright. Then, keep the protractor here, then you will get a 120 here. How many sides already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides we should have? 6 sides. Again, keep the protractor here. Then, find out another 120. Okay, so it will be so it will be like this. Okay. Then what do you have to do? You just join. Why I say join? Because if you draw all these angles with 120 degree, surely when you join, you will get the sixth side. Surely it will be 120 degree. Why so? Here if you draw all these sides are 120, automatically we will get here this as 120. Otherwise we can here I have not drawn properly, but when you draw with all the measurement in your notebook, if you have drawn the 5 sides with using this all these rules, after finishing drawing completing the 5th angle, just have to join, you will get the 6th angle. That will be surely, if you measure and see, it will be 120 degrees. So how many sides we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here all the angles will be of 120 degree. Okay. What I have drawn, maybe there is a slight mistake because I am not using all the instruments properly. So when you draw properly with the correct accurate measurement, when you draw, you will get exactly 120. But whereas, can you say all the sides are same? The sides are different sides we have. Okay, so the question is here, it was equal angles but unequal sides. But here, equal sides but unequal angles. So we have drawn 2 types of hexagon. Do you understand? Is it a regular hexagon? Is it a regular hexagon? Can we say this is a regular hexagon? No, this is not a regular hexagon because here equal angles but unequal sides. Then can we say this is as a regular hexagon? No. Why? Here we have equal sides but unequal angles. Hope it is clear to you. Now the chapter we are almost coming to and few more problems are there. You try to solve by yourself. Then from the beginning onwards you should have the revision. understand properly. It is very simple chapter. The polygon is very simple chapter. After completing few more problems, we'll have revision once again of this chapter. Okay, thank you.